Whenever I talk about marketing, there's a little bit of a portion where I have to talk about buy-in. And the reason is because even though we all know innately that business means marketing, even though we know that I've got to market, oftentimes it feels more like a chore. It feels more like some side hustle that you've got to do in addition to your business. But the truth is, it is all one, right? Because there's this textbook definition of what marketing is. But whenever I talk about it, this is how I describe it. Marketing is simply the art of making known. You have a job. There's something that you're sharing with the world, a gift, a talent, a service, a product. There's something that you are giving the world. They've got to know about it. Well, how do they know unless you tell them? And that's all marketing is. It is, I have this gift to give. I need to find the right people. I know who they are. I made it for them. I need to find them, and I need them to find me so that we can exchange, right? And that is all that marketing is.